Now you will understand all about weighted index numbers. In such a case, all the items of the series are assigned rational weights in an explicit manner. Weights are assigned to various items in order to reflect their relative importance in the series. There are two methods of finding weighted index numbers. One is aggregative method and the other is average of price relatives method. We shall understand both the methods in this video. Let's begin. Hello everyone. Welcome to our EcoStudies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Hello everyone. Now let's move on to the weighted index numbers. In weighted index numbers, all the items of the series are assigned rational weights in an explicit manner. Weights are assigned to various items to reflect their relative importance in the series. These are constructed by weighted aggregative method and weighted average of price relative method. Let's understand these in details. Have a look at the illustration. Information about 4 commodities are given where price and quantity in 2000 and price and quantity in 2010 are provided. You need to calculate price index number for the year 2010, taking 2000 as base year by using Laspeyres method, Pasteur's method and Fisher's method. Let's have a look at the solution. You need to prepare a table with 9 columns. One is commodities, then column 2, prices that existed in 2000, quantities sold in 2000, then prices that existed in 2010, quantities sold in 2010, then you need to find P1 Q0, you need to find P0 Q0, you need to find P1 Q1 and P0 Q1, where P0 is prices that exist in the base year, Q0 is quantities sold in the base year, P1 is prices of the current year and Q1 is quantities of the current year. So let us first find P1 Q0. P1 is 30 and Q0 is 5. So you get 150. Next is P0 Q0. P0 is 15. Q0 is 5. So you get 75. Then third one is P1 Q1. P1 is 30. Q1 is 6. So you get 180. And the last one is P0 Q1. P0 is 15 and Q1 is 6. 15 into 6, that is 90. In the similar manner, you have to complete the series and then finally have summation. Summation of P1 Q0, summation of P0 Q0, summation of P1 Q1 and summation of P0 Q1. Laspeyres method formula is sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. Substituting the values and after calculating it, we find it is 137. As so far as Pasteur's method is concerned, its formula is, so far as Pasteur's method is concerned, the formula is sigma P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Substituting the values and after calculating it, we find it is 134.8. Fisher's method is under root of sigma P1 Q0 by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q1, the whole thing multiplied by 100. So substitute the values, calculate, and you get answer as 135.9. Now have a look at this illustration. This is about the 6 commodities for which quantities sold in 2000, prices that existed in 2000, and prices that existed in 2010 are given. You need to calculate index number by weighted average of price relative method. Let's have a look at the solution. To solve this, you need to prepare a table with 7 columns. Column 1 is commodities. Column 2, quantities sold in the base year 2000. Column 3, prices that prevail in the base year 2000. Column 4, prices that prevail in the current year, which is 2010. And then next column is about weights that you need to find, which is P0, Q0. Next column is on price relative that you need to find by taking into account P1 by P0 in 200 in each case. And last column you need to find, which is multiplication of price relative and weight. Let's have a look at the first item. Now, to find P0, Q0, you need to take into account for commodity A, P0 is 6, Q0 is 20. So you get 120. And to find price relative, P1 by P0. P1 is 12, P0 is 6. So it is 12 by 6 into 100. And you get 200. And price relative multiplied by weight would be 120 multiplied by 200 and you get 24,000. In the similar manner, you have to complete the entire series. And finally, you need to have summation of weights, summation of price relative and weight. Apply the formula sigma RW by sigma W, where R is P1 by P0 into 100. Substitute the values, calculate, and you get the answer as 175.33, implying that the prices have increased by 75.3%. Now with this, the explanation of finding index number by both the methods, whether it is unweighted or weighted, whether it is aggregative or price relative, has been explained, and I hope it's clear. But just to sum up, when you find index number after calculation, suppose you get the value 134.8. In this case, the interpretation is that price has increased by 34.8%. If you get a value of 137, it implies prices have increased by 37%. And suppose you get a value of 175.3, it implies that prices have increased by 75.3%. So the interpretation you need to mention at the end of each numerical. So practice as much as you can to have absolute clarity in the concept. Next time we shall discuss some of the important index numbers. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just rupees 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.